Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the pieces. Install OBS and the Keyboard Visualizer plugin or obtain a ready HTML overlay so you can act immediately. Once done, launch OBS as administrator to avoid capture permission issues, then add a new source. Window capture for the plugin app or browser source for HTML overlays. Make sure the visualizer is running and visible on your desktop. This early setup prevents later black screens and saves time when you move to positioning and filtering. Now you add the overlay source and configure it precisely. If you use a browser source, paste the local file path or URL and set width/height and FPS. If window capture, choose the visualizer window and tick capture cursor off. Once added, use transform to scale and position the overlay where you want on screen. Apply the color key or alpha blend filter to remove backgrounds, and lock the source when satisfied so accidental moves don't break your layout. Finish by testing. Record a short clip or start a private stream and press keys to confirm the overlay shows and aligns with input. If you see lag, lower overlay FPS or enable hardware acceleration. If visual artifacts appear, toggle capture methods between window, game, and display capture until reliable. Make sure to save the scene collection, then lock sources. If the overlay is blank, run OBS as admin, switch capture type, or reload the browser/window source. This usually resolves permission or focus issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.